Hey there, YouDoer. Just a quick video to show you how to remove the container within the Brita water filter pitcher. If you have a Brita water filter, it probably looks kind of like this. Some of them vary a little bit, but to remove it is pretty simple. For the longest time, what I would do is I would remove it and then remove the cap, and then you would try to remove this and it would get jammed, often stuck like this, where you feel like you're almost going to break the thing. And so what I started to do is I would fill this with water with some liquid soap, and then I would flip it over and it would slide out. What I realized an easier way to do it is just grabbing it at the front here lightly with your fingers and then sticking a fingernail on this latch in the back, on this little clip here. It's not very big. I think in newer models it's a little more obvious. But if you just take this and you lift it up, it slides right out. And it's that simple. And so that's all you have to do, instead of even putting water inside, which still does work, but do not just try to work it on the front side here like this, because you could potentially break the plastic. So just again, put your finger here in the front, and then put your finger in the back here. You may have to use your fingernail to get it right here into the back, right here, and you just lift it up and it comes right out. All right, hope that's helpful and that you just keep getting things done.